Hello and welcome to your 60-second catch-up here on Monday, lunchtime UK time, and it's just gone 8 o'clock Eastern time in the morning. Okay, so short week for Europeans, full week for US, very little data, but I am expecting this to at least catch up with this 22,500 level here. Currently as I speak, 21,837. Sorry, you can't see that. If we dip to 21.5 and hold into the cash session, then I think we can see a potential 1,000 pip move into that high. Okay, so that's if. We are still very bearish. We have come down here. We've come on lower volume, so that's one of the reasons. So we're divergent. So in other words, that's why I think we are due at least to pick up into this 2019 low. And if we can break up into close to 24,000, then I would expect the next leg down. So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And 3 could take us either into that 22.5 or as high as 24, and then I would start to leg down again. Why? Because the shock to the economy, the demand shock is so great. I think by the time we get up here and the lagging fundamental data is going to catch up with us, and then we are going to get to these high levels in this stochastic and then potentially start to wind our way down, back down to 18, possibly as low as 15, 16. That's my goal. More on that later. Let's just flick through a couple of other markets and just have a quick look at the German DAX. Same story. The level to watch for on German DAX is 2019 low is 10,420. That we've got a gap fill up here at 11.5, so that's feasible. We're going to need it within this next push higher. That's a big ask. I would look for 10.5, 11,000 for resistance. I don't think this gap may stay open for some months, maybe even into the autumn. Oil had a big pop up last week. If I would love to see 24.25 at least minimum in Vents on Wednesday with OPEC meeting, so I would suggest you might want to back off of that and see where we go. Gas, I think gas got potential to get back up to this resistance at 21 area, possibly higher. It's not, obviously we're coming out of winter, we're well and truly into spring. I just think it's due a bounce. We have seen bounces in this period, this part of the cycle in the past. It's all down to the dollar. At the moment we have pound US dollar that is trying to recover. We've got a lot of resistance. If we close above 123, 124, we could potentially come and see 127 plus. In the meantime, we could so easily just roll over here. But watch this pound US dollar carefully, because if this starts to pick up, that would have a big benefit for commodities and the US market. Okay, I've overrun 60 seconds by 4 times, so I'll leave it there. But short-term upside, if the Dow 21,500 holds. Otherwise, looking to get short further on down the line. So happy trading, hope that helps. Be careful.